Kimchi.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Foods. Are you having fun with this class? Great! I'm having fun too. This time, we will learn about kimchi. Look at the picture. The food in the bowl is kimchi. It looks very spicy. Let's begin by studying some words.
Flake. A flake is a small, thin piece of something. In the picture, the small red pieces are flakes. The flakes are chili flakes. Cabbage. This is cabbage. It is a round vegetable with white and green leaves. Some cabbage leaves are purple. We eat raw or steamed cabbage.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Flake. Cabbage.
Now you will read a story. After you read it, you will take a quiz.
Do you know what kimchi is? It's spicy cabbage. The cabbage is covered with seasonings. Hot pepper flakes, salt, and garlic are some of the seasonings. That's why kimchi is spicy. In fact, there are many kinds of kimchi. Some kimchi isn't spicy. Some is made with other vegetables besides cabbage. Kimchi isn't the main food in a meal. Usually we eat kimchi with rice.
How does most kimchi taste? Spicy. Sweet. What is true? Cabbage is the main stuff in kimchi. Usually, people eat only kimchi as a meal.
Do you like spicy food? If you do, how about trying kimchi? This is the end of our class. See you next time. Goodbye.